YouTubers. Um, Today I am actually doing something that you guys at home get to choose. Um, what will be my new ringtone? So I'm having trouble deciding, and these are the choices. This will be my ringtone for about 3 months, and it'll also be my new theme song, which will be stuck with me until I get tired of it, or I throw another competition out there for another theme song. Okay, so number one is Jizz. This is Jizz in My Pants by Lonely Island. Second one is I'm on a Boat by Lonely Island. Third is Super Mario Bros. Theme song. Fourth is White and Nerdy. Fifth is Kitty Cats song. Um, the next one is Jackass Party Boy. The next one's Quagmire Giggity Giggity. That's what it actually sounds like. It's Giggity Giggity. If you watch Family Guy, it's Family Guy Peanut Butter Jelly song, and that's it. So send me a message, either shoot me a message or email me at my um, fan mail box thing. So it's an email for Yahoo. It is xkbx813 not KB Xbox 360 computer junk at yahoo.com. I'll post a image down there. So yeah. So you can email me which one you want to be my theme song and ringtone. I'll give you a brief rundown on what the song will sound like. You can do it in my media center audio. Cat, I'm a kitty cat. Sounds like this. You never heard it. Okay, so that's what that sounds like. I stopped it. Next one is the Jackass Party Boy. Alright, I stopped it. I'm just gonna keep stopping these. Peanut butter jelly time. Peanut butter jelly time, peanut butter jelly time, peanut butter jelly time. Right, my ringtone. Never gets old. I'll run that one by you again. Just my pants. Okay. Super Mario. Alright. White nerdy. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's it. So, yeah. Okay. Some I left out. There was, I think, one or two of them left out that I didn't post in there that I didn't let you guys vote for. But here's the funny, wait, not funny. Here's the fart contest. uh, and I think that one's it. This wasn't a ringtone video, but it's funny. What the fuck? So, yeah, that was fun. I don't know if you post this ringtone. But, next I'll have a wallpaper one, because this is my current wallpaper. It's a sticky note system behind the wallpaper. Yeah, brightness goes down my phone. So, that's I think next an object using Bluetooth and email contact. Catch you later. I don't know.